Oh crap! I forgot I could get some other stations. Hold on.
Service in Wakefield or near Virginia University. Hazard 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter size hail.
1067 and 1021.
Severe thunderstorm was located over Laurel or near Virginia. This severe thunderstorm will be near Mechanicsville and East Highland Park around 8:10 p.m. Highland Springs around 8:15 p.m. Studley around 8:20 p.m.
Oh.
Banquet, Tunstall, and Hillard around 8:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Enfield, Central Garage, Hanover Airport, Almont, Longdale, Westwood, Solomon Store, Chamberlain, Rumford, and Etley. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, post Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA. Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA. The thunderstorm was located over Tunstall, or near King William, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source radar indicated. Intact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near King and Queen Courthouse around 8:45 p.m. West Point, Little Plymouth, and Shackelford's around 8:50 p.m. Churchview and Jamaica around 8:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Lanesville, Falls, Mascot, Cook, Delma, Romancoke, Cohoe, Dragonville, Clancy, and Rose Garden. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA. Hazard 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source radar indicated. Intact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Hartfield around 9:05 p.m. Kilmarnock, Deltaville, and Whitestone around 9:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Bearden, Winds, Senora, Slabtown, Wilton, Harmony Village, Bertrand, Grafton, Hamburg, and Stampers. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the city of Richmond, central Chesterfield County, northwestern Charles City County, western Nantucket County, southeastern Henrico County, until 10 p.m. At 9:11 p.m., severe thunderstorm was located near Richmond, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source radar indicated. Intact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Virginia Commonwealth University and Bentley around 9:15 p.m. Chester, Highland Springs, and Bellwood around 9:20 p.m. Bottoms Bridge around 9:40 p.m. Roxbury around 9:45 p.m. Adkins Store around 9:50 p.m. Charles City and Providence Forge around 9:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Wrights Corner, Richmond Heights, Wayside, Mountcastle, Horripikes Farms, Elko, Montrose, Sandston, Glendale, and Richmond International. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA.